Well, SEER is an acronym for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, or rating, and that sounds like a lot, but the easiest way to equate it is to miles per gallon with a car. You think of two cars, if they're both going 60 down the road, and one of them's getting 26 miles to the gallon, and the other one's getting 18, whatever, they're both doing 60, but this one's using more gas to get there than this one. So the higher the SEER, just like miles per gallon, the less electricity it's using to produce the same amount of cooling.